Meaning of discount rate.
Discount rate.
Discount rate.
Discount rate.
Discount rate. Discount rate refers to the interest rate used to calculate the present value of future cash flows. It is commonly used in financial analysis, investment appraisal, and risk management to determine the value of future payments or receipts by discounting them back to their current equivalents. A higher discount rate results in a lower present value, indicating a higher risk or uncertainty involved in the future cash flows. Conversely, a lower discount rate results in a higher present value, indicating lower risk or greater confidence in the future cash flows.